welcome back. Coach Carl here. Today's topic, how do you achieve results in 90 days and maintain a high level of commitment, but also passion? For some of you guys, you'll call it excitement. One of the things I did early on in coaching is I would set year-long goals for clients. And then I discovered that the more time we had to achieve those goals, the less results they actually produced. Because guys will delay decisions, will delay actions. When things come up, we will actually push away the very thing we want or need to confront to achieve the goal. So I thought, well, I have to figure out a better way to achieve results and do it in shorter periods of time. And I became a big fan of doing things in 90-day increments. And here's why. I'm going to, on the screen, go through a diagram of what happens when we set big goals. You want to have a breakthrough in your business, you want to double your profits, hire people, grow, whatever it is. There's a better way to do it that keeps you out of overwhelm and doesn't cause you to grind in order to accomplish your goals. So here we go. Let's take a look. If this line represents your goal, here you are, right here. This is your goal of what you have now, and then let's say what you want. So this is the big goal. The farther away you are, then the distance obviously is farther. But what happens is the farther away you are from the goal, you'll notice that motivation will actually go down. If you're too far away from the goal, if it's too big to take a bite out of, you'll find that you won't get started or you won't have enough motivation to sustain it because you can't actually see it, feel it, or hear it. It's so far away. When I talk to guys who are making 150, 190,000, they want to go to 5 million, I say, look, that's a great goal, but the gap is so big, right? We'll call this the gap. It's so big, you're going to end up losing motivation because you can't directly feel it. So you'll notice if we start to chop this goal down into 90 days and we start to take a bite out of it step by step, the distance from here to here, I can see that. I can feel that. That is not that far away. So, we're taking a step-by-step process to get what we want. But what we'll also do is in these 90 days, you're going to find that your motivation, your excitement, and most of all, your commitment is going to be at an all-time high as opposed to making this jump all the way across the board. So I'm a big fan of chunking things down into 90-day increments because what's going to drive this, your actions, is by how you feel about it and your commitment level. And you're going to have a higher level of commitment in 90 days because at the 90 days, there's going to be rewards there. There's going to be some progress made. And here, this could be 3 years before you see the results. That is so hard to sustain it. But what it does do, it makes you really vulnerable to this. Makes you vulnerable to failure. That's the big one, but it's just not sustainable. It's very hard to sustain that over that period of time. So when you shorten the gap, you increase motivation, excitement, and commitment. When the gap is so big, you're going to lose motivation, commitment if you get started at all. So keep that in mind, 90-day blocks. You achieve 4, 5, or 6 of those 90-day blocks in 2 years, you've got the goal. And you're putting the odds in your favor to accomplish that goal. So it keeps you out of overwhelm, keeps you from overburdening things. And guys, we like results. We want to know in 90 days we're going to get results. We can count on that. So we have much more certainty and momentum. It's easier to sustain momentum in this 90 days. It's 3 months, 1 quarter out of your life to achieve your goals versus, 3 years. That's a lot. That's 12 quarters versus 1 to achieve results. So keep that in mind. 90-day plans are significant. They'll create more results. But best of all, you won't burn out your passion or your excitement tanks. All right, this is Coach Carl. I'll catch you later on some upcoming more videos.